Today's lesson, we are going to look at algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions are fractions which the numerator, and the denominator, or both of them, have what? Algebraic expressions. So anytime we have an expression, both the denominator and the numerator have an algebraic expression, we can say that is algebraic fractions. Okay, now these fractions can be in a form of variables. So 5x divided by 7y is an algebraic fraction. We can also have a constant form, which we have, and 7 divided by x minus y is also algebraic fractions. We can also have something like s a plus b, all divided by a squared minus b squared. All this expression here is algebraic fractions. Okay, let's call it 9y, and so let's say that we are having here to be 1 plus y. Okay, so let's take a look at illustrative example. Okay, so we have a question. Yes, simplify 1. So we have to simplify 1 s squared plus x y divided by s squared minus y squared. Now we have to look at what is common in the numerator. We see that x is common there, so we are left with x plus y. And what is coming? Okay, let's bring you what we call difference of two squared. Difference of two squared, if we have something like x squared minus 4, the difference of two squared, we are going to have x plus 2 and x minus 2. We can also have something like x squared minus 9, which is going to give us x plus 3 and x minus 3. So the difference of two square always work with perfect square. In our own case, we are having s minus y, and this will be x plus y. So this, we can see x plus y at the numerator and x plus y at the denominator. So what we are left with is x all divided by x minus y to be the solution to this given expression. So let's try another one. Then 2 h plus k, all this is being divided by h plus k all square. This can be written as h plus k, and this is, when we square all this, it means that a double of this. So what I mean that if you have a squared, means a times a. So in this case, we are going to have h plus k multiplied by h plus k. Okay, and doing that, we are going to have this equals to, one of them is gone with this, and this is gone, and so we are left with 1 over h plus k. Very simple. Okay, so let's try another one. We call it 3. We can have a squared minus 4 divided by a plus 2. So just as I said earlier, difference of two square, we are going to have a plus 2 and a minus 2, and what is divided by a plus 2. Okay, so you notice that a plus 2 is gone, a plus 2 is gone, and our result is going to give us a minus 2. Okay, all right, so quickly let's look at the last one for this section. This gives us the fourth one, s squared minus 5x plus 6. This should be divided by s squared minus 3x plus 2. Now, if you look at this expression, both the numerator and the denominator have quadratic expression. So recall, in quadratic expression, we can factorize them using factorization method. So if we have something like s squared minus 5x plus 6, we need to think of the product of 6 and the sum of negative 5. And this negative 3, negative 2 can satisfy this condition. Okay, so negative 3 times negative 2 will give us positive 6, and negative 2 and minus 3 minus 2 will give us minus 5. So in the place of minus 5, we are going to plug in these two values. So we have the s squared minus 3x, because that is a coefficient of this, and minus 2x plus 6. Okay, so we can decide to put them into this form and break them out. So we are going to have the x out, and this will be x minus 3 left. In this case, we can bring out 2, so this will be minus 2 out, and this will be x minus 3. Altogether, we will, as usual, so this will be x minus 2 and x minus 3. So in the place of x squared minus 5x plus 6, we will plug in x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. Okay, so if we do the same thing for the numerator, think of the product of think of the product of 2 and the sum of negative 3. And if we are to do that, we can plug in x minus 1 and this, and also x minus 2. Okay, if you do that, it will give us the solution. We'll satisfy this quadratic equation. Okay, so sorry, here was supposed to be x minus 2. Okay, so in this case, we are going to plug in x minus 1 and x minus 2 into this given expression. So please take your time and see if you can arrive at these two values as the factors of the given expression. Okay, so now if you look at, let's see what is going. X minus 2 is gone and x minus 2 is gone, so we are left with x minus 3 and x minus 1. So is the solution to this given expression. I hope you've learned something today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it so that others can learn from it. Thank you.